Good morning and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Now I know it's been a while since I've done a vlog on this channel. I've just been doing like not so daily uploads on the other one. Yes, go across to the Daily Tracker to see the not so daily vlogs and you'll understand what I mean. Anywho, guess where we are? Go on, guess, I'll give you a minute. No, I won't, I'm just going to tell you. Me and Emma are at Newcastle Airport getting breakfast. But we're not just here getting breakfast. We're flying to Dubai and then from Dubai to Bangkok. So we're flying via Emirates on the Boeing 777 and then the Airbus A380. So as Chris Goforth would say, come along and join us on our travel day to Thailand. That's where breakfast's put down in front of us. Emma got extra bacon and eggs just cause.
I like it.
That's the breakfast stotty. Stotty, for those who are not from the northeast, is the type of bread bun. The extra bacon and eggs, and another breakfast stotty. And Emma. Say hi, Emma.
Hi.
I tell you what, mate, there's just been an announcement. And I feel like I'm in Dubai already because I just did not understand a word what she said. It was just literally that's all I heard, and I couldn't get you out fast enough to record it. But the next time she starts, I'm going to record it so you can hear it and see if you can translate it because I cannot. Not a clue. Not. We'll go to the Aspire Lounge, Emma. It's only £100. I think not.
No.
See if the pilot will give a wave. Will the pilot give a wave? Will he? Will he? Will he hell?
Is that everyone?
Yeah. Oh yeah, he's going to get that.
Hello. Hi. Good afternoon. Welcome on board.
Welcome on board the Emirates 777 from Newcastle to Dubai, and this is seat number 35A. And guess what? You get two windows. Oh yes! So we managed to score a middle seat empty, but chose the aisle seat, the window seat, and nobody chose a middle seat. Whoop whoop, chicken soup.
تجد هذا الفيديو مسليا أو مشوقا إلا أنه بالتأكيد قيم ويصلح اهتمامكم لأنه يتعلق بسلامتكم.
تضع طيران الإمارات السلامة فوق كل اعتبار.
lunchtime, and we have cheese biscuits, chocolate butter, some kind of potato salad, and I'm waiting for my lamb biryani, but I've got a chocolate talise, water, nibbles and bread bun. My lamb biryani looks really quite nice actually. On our descent now into Dubai, the end of the first flight. Ugh. Gotta do all over again shortly. Don't like going backwards. I don't like going backwards. Well, that was a bit of a mare. Normally we'll get the wheelchair assistance because Emma can't really walk too far with her back, or we've got Ellie with her wheelchair, and we get somebody to come along, push the wheelchairs through the gate, through security, let's go shopping, all this sort of thing. No, not this time. This time, as you saw, they stuck on a little buggy and then took us to the disabled lounge, where literally all you've got is seats, a toilet and a coffee shop. You can't actually go around any of the shops in Dubai airport. And we were like, no, get us to the gate. So that's what the second buggy was. So yeah, we're at the gate now, looking at the shops that's around the gate, which is a lot more than, like I say, than what's in that disabled lounge. And sometimes if they've got to come get you from the disabled lounge, you miss your flight. Welcome on board Emirates EK384, which is the A380 from Dubai to Bangkok. And this is seat number 65A. Now, I do have a view, a window, but it's just a view of the wing. So it's breakfast time now. We've got some fruit, some yogurt and granola to go into it. Croissant with some strawberry jam, Jacob biscuits, and if I can open this up, some beef noodles. Ah, it's fast, this, isn't it? Time for the little banging tune.
Attention please.
After she
The
speaks.
train is about to leave the station. Please stand clear from the doors.
She talks over it.
A handrail firmly.
各位乘客请注意，本列车即将停站，请勿站在车门边，并紧握拉环或扶手。
โปรดทราบรถไฟฟ้ากำลังจะออกจากสถานี กรุณาอย่ายืนกีดขวางประตูรถ และโปรดจับราวขณะเดินทาง
Should have get me head.
Main Terminal Building
注航下
อาคาร Main Terminal Please check your belongings before leaving the train and mind the gap between the train and platform
下车时，请检查您的随身行李，并且留意列车与月台间隙。
รถไฟฟ้าสำหรับการให้บริการโปรดตรวจสอบสัมภาระของท่านก่อนออกจากรถไฟฟ้า
Tune.
มีช่องว่างของรถไฟฟ้า
Well, that was an absolute nightmare to get the bags. Ours has to be the last ones off as usual. Anywho, need to try and find Gordon to get our lift down to Pattaya or Pattaya. Pattaya, Pattaya. Bullying, love you, Mac Mac. And get a look how busy it is. Look. Wow. Well, we're here, and as you can see, blue skies, and it's hot, hot, hot. 30 degrees Celsius, and I'm wearing jeans. Well, there you go, folks. We're here in Pattaya at Gordon's house. Yeah, so that's our travel day. Do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, follow, do all that good stuff. See you on the next one.
You've been watching the TerryTracker, and now it's time to do your job. That means click subscribe. You don't want to be a prat, do you? Click it. No, not that one. That one. I pointed out that I don't have any hands. Hey, guess what?